Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for this very generous and warm welcome. I must confess that I'd like to initially thank Mr. Ram Gopal Varma and congratulate him, not for making art, but for making the longest speech that I've ever heard him make in my entire lifetime of association with him. It has been very honest and very heartfelt, and I never knew that somebody like Ram Gopal Varma could have this kind of an expression and this kind of an effect on the present audience. Thank you, Ramu. I think most of what this film is about and this association is about has already come from the two speakers before me. I really want to add that it's been a great honor and a great pleasure doing this film, having worked in the original in an entirely different role, and now to be challenged to do perhaps one of the most difficult experiences that I've had. Ram Gopal Varma has this habit of putting his artists through hell and fire. I have no doubts that everyone that has worked with him will vouch for that. But this is his creativity, this is his determination, this is his concept. And we are very proud that he pushes us to extremes which we never realize until the camera starts, and eventually when he puts the whole film together. It's remarkable how he's able to choose characters, choose situations, put us through the grind, and allow us to probe into ourselves and